In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request after-sale refund on 1688 for fast delivery goods. Start by opening the 1688 app or website and signing into your account. From your home screen, head to My Orders, which you'll also see labeled as Woda Ding Don. This is where all your purchases live and where you'll access after-sales options. Next, locate the order that was marked as fast delivery or ready stock. Open the order details and double-check the current status. If it shows delivered or completed, that's your cue that you can proceed with the after-sales request. Inside the order details page, look for the after-sales entry points. These are typically labeled Shenqing Shouho, meaning apply after-sales service, or Shouho Tuiquan, meaning after-sales refund. Tap the option that appears for your order to begin your request. You'll be asked to choose the type of request that fits your situation. Refund only is best if you want your money back without sending the item back. Return and refund is used when you're willing to ship the item back for a full refund. Replacement request is appropriate if you want the same product exchanged due to an issue. Now select the most accurate refund reason. Common choices include damaged item, wrong product sent, missing parts, product not as described, or broader quality problems. Pick the one that clearly matches what you received to avoid delays. Evidence is crucial for fast delivery goods, so upload strong proof. Include clear photos of the item's condition, an unboxing video if you have it, pictures of the shipping label and packaging, and screenshots of your conversation with the supplier. The clearer and more complete your proof, the faster your request is likely to be approved. Enter the refund amount you're requesting and describe the problem in simple, factual language. Point to your evidence and summarize what outcome you want. When everything looks accurate, submit the refund request. After submission, wait for the supplier's response. They may approve the refund, offer a replacement, request the item be returned, or propose a partial refund. You can negotiate directly through the 1688 chat, so keep communication polite, specific, and within the platform. If the supplier requires a return, ship the item back to the address they provide, enter the tracking number on the refund page, and keep your shipping receipt as proof until the case is closed. Once your refund is approved, the money will go back to your original payment method. Processing usually takes several business days, so keep an eye on your account and on the order status until it shows complete.